Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In this video, I want to show everyone on the secrets behind working with AutoCAD Civil 3D as a beginner. So if you want to work with AutoCAD Civil 3D as a first timer, you are expected to do two types of settings before you proceed with your plotting, be it for survey plan or for other drawings that have to do with units and dimensions. So first off, you have to use the command UN to set up your drawing units, which is the popular type of drawing settings. However, after that, you are expected to define the coordinate reference system for your workspace. So this is dependent on your primary data. So when you have a primary data, be it in Excel, instance, nothings, elevations, or any other format, be it in TIF format that is georeferenced, or any other drawing images that has coordinate system. After your unit setup, you are expected to define the coordinate reference system of your workspace. So this is just what you are seeing on the screen, where I have defined the drawing unit as meters. The coordinate reference system, you have to select your country of interest based on where the primary data is within, and you have to select the right available coordinate system that is within your region before you apply an OK. So I'm just going to show you guys how to do that as a beginner. If you don't get this right as the first time using AutoCAD Civil 3D, whatsoever plotting you are plotting within the AutoCAD space will not be overlaying in real world. So first off, as a beginner, when you open your AutoCAD Civil 3D, you have to do your unit setup, which is UN. Do well to check under this video description to see how to accurately set this and the reason why I am setting this as what it is. After that, the aim of the video is to set the coordinate reference system. After the first settings has been done, you come to drawing settings. Under the drawing utilities, click on drawing settings. So on your drawing settings, if yours is not on unit and zone, maybe it's on transformation, you click on unit and zone. Under unit and zone, you define your drawing unit based on what you want. So I would prefer going with meters. Your angular unit, of course, I prefer leaving it at degrees. And the major one is to come to your no datum, no projection tab here. You click on that. Then you can search for your country of interest. So if you want to use the UTM-WGS84, you have to scroll down to like the very last. So you are going to see the UTM-WGS84 datum. Therefore, you can click on this drop down here to select your region of interest, your zone of interest. So all of the zones within the world has been created here. You can just define yours. However, I want to use the Nigeria mid belt, which is specific to my location. So I'll click on the drop down here, then search for Nigeria. So depending on where you are and where your data is, you have to select your country of interest. So I'll select Nigeria. So under the available coordinate system, click on the drop down, then you are going to see the datum and projection of interest. So you can go with anyone based on your primary data. So I will go with MENA Nigeria mid belt. So you are going to see the projection, which is the Traverse Mercator, and the datum is MENA. This is best fit for my region of interest, except I am working with a data that is otherwise on another system. So this is how to set up your coordinate reference system. Before you apply an OK, you come to ambient settings. So this is a tip, not many people knows how to do this, because after you have set your UN unit drawing settings, you may be having some dimensions, especially when you are doing the automatic subdivisions within the AutoCAD Civil 3D workspace. So you come to distance, click on the plus icon beside that. Then your unit, most times if you are a beginner, is going to be on feet or something else. So you have to choose your unit of interest. So you click on meters. Then your precision, click on this, and you can adjust that based on your interest. So that's a tip I just included in the course of this video. When you are done with these settings, you can check other settings that is of your interest and do all the settings based on your interest. Alright, so after you are done under the ambient settings, you can come back to unit and zone. Then when you are cool with all this, you can now click on apply and OK. So that is how to perfectly and accurately set drawing units in AutoCAD Civil 3D as a beginner. The moment you define your UN drawing settings and the coordinate reference system, automatically your geolocation icon will be activated if you are signing into the Autodesk account. So that is the best way to work with AutoCAD Civil 3D as a beginner. So whatsoever data you are importing and working on is going to be exactly where it is on the Earth's surface. If you find this video informative and educative, do well to hit on the subscribe icon and turn on your notification to keep getting valuable tutorial freely. Thank you. See you in the next video.